Hello everybody, in today's video we would like to demonstrate how you can check the mobile data usage on this Oukitel K13 Pro smartphone. First of all, you want to open up the app settings. In here go for the network and internet. Then just go for the data usage section. Here you'll have the general idea on how much data has been used for a set period of time of standardly, and by default it is a single month. And in here there is the separate app data usage section, where if you had any history of mobile data usage, it will display how much data have been used for what app in particular. Alrighty, so that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.